In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to a Polaroid frame on Instagram stories. It's a fun way to give your photos a vintage feel. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen. Select Story. Tap on Create. At the top, tap on the sticker icon. Find the frame sticker in the section and tap on it. Choose the photo you want to add. Now, as you can see, our photo is added to a Polaroid frame. This gives your photo a cool, retro look. You can also write a short caption like "test" or something more personal to make it unique. Once you're done, tap Done at the top. To publish, tap Your Story. Wait for it to upload, and then open your story to check it out. Now, if you shake your phone or tap on the Polaroid, you'll see the photo. It's a great way to engage your friends and followers. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it and want to see more tips and tricks like this, please subscribe to our channel. We post new videos regularly to help you get the most out of your social media. Thanks for watching, and have fun with your Instagram stories.